I know.
Let's go on a hug.
The victory for 8A is over. Yep. That's not. Watch mucho por this live que la saben en la ATA Sorry. Oh my god, if they're actually going to try to round 3 is the tiebreaker. Look, but they still have to do it even if there's no tie, right?
I don't know. No.
No, they're not going to do it. If they don't get a tie, no. You can put me on a tie.